Peace, Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And today, I miss my Divines. I hope you all are enjoying your weekend. And I wanted to come on today because I am making a juice. I'm blending a juice and I wanted to share with my Divine. This juice is good for being cancer fighting and pain relieving and anti-aging. And the ingredients I'm going to use today for this juice, I'm going to use some cherries. I love cherries. I love frozen cherries. I love fresh cherries. I love cherries, period. I could just eat frozen cherries all day. I'm going to be using some kale. Also going to be using some oranges. And I'm going to be using some kiwi as well. Of course, I always recommend you can use coconut water. And I'm going to use some spring water. And let's make this lovely, amazing, healthy juice. Okay, so first I'm going to put the water in. I'm going to put the kale in. And I'm going to put the cherries in. Okay. Make sure I don't drop that. Okay. I'm going to put the oranges in. Ooh. And I'm going to put the kiwis in. There we go. Okay, and now we are going to blend this up. Okay, so let's blend this up. Okay, and so now I'm going to pour our lovely juice. And so we have kiwi, we have oranges, and we have kale. We have cherries. And of course, I will leave tips and things in the description as always. And again, this is very cancer fighting and very good for stress and anti-aging, and I will indicate other things as well. Okay, let's try it. Tastes like a very relaxing orange juice. Yeah, this is really good. You know, if you want that vitamin C, it's really good, Divines. And I'm so grateful. You know, I'm always grateful when I could come on here with y'all, and I knew that I wanted to come on here with y'all this weekend. And as always, I want you to be well. I want you to be true to yourself. And I want you to continue to be blessed. I am going to see if this is Boopy approved, okay? And I'm going to go and make some food, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my weekend. And I hope you do as well. Peace, Divine.